Despite several motions, the judge may have ruled on SEC's never-ending lawsuit. The end remains the big question. To learn more, watch the whole video. If this interests you, watch this new video now. Welcome to our channel where we discuss XRP and cryptocurrency news. We welcome first-time viewers. This channel is giving away 200 XRP, so hit the notification bell to never miss a video. Be eligible. Subscribe, like, and comment with hashtag XRP to win on January 31st. The judge's closing ruling may mark the end of Ripple and the SEC's 4-year litigation. According to reports, both sides have filed several motions, some considered for final judgment and others blocked, like the regulator's motion to block Ripple's appraisal. The U.S. SEC wants to block expert testimony in defense of Ripple because it is unreliable and makes improper legal conclusions. The agency also claims that one expert copied his opinion from Ripple's blogs, making him unqualified to offer it. The SEC is attacking Ripple's experts' qualifications and reputations, insisting they understand the topic. Ripple's defenders also filed a motion to seal the SEC expert testimony and related exhibits. Attorney John E. Deaton, who represents 75,000 XRP, continues motions. Investors with an amicus brief recently polled the community on Ripple's 2023 outcome on Twitter. 59% expect a Ripple SEC settlement, while 39% expect a Judge Analisa Torres verdict. January 18th appears to be the last significant date before Judge Torres renders a verdict. The SEC sued Ripple for raising over $1.3 billion selling unregistered securities and XRP tokens. That lawsuit will affect the cryptocurrency market and assets like XRP. A SEC win will set a bad legal precedent for the crypto market. Industry stakeholders are monitoring this case. The lawsuit clearly affects XRP price. XRP dropped almost 25% in April 2021 after the 2020 lawsuit. The judge gave Ripple access to SEC internal documents, which caused XRP to cross the $1 mark for the first time in 3 years. On August 15, 2022, defense attorney James Phillips tweeted that Judge Sarah Nett dealt the SEC another blow. Brian granted Ripple's motion to serve subpoenas for video recordings for authentication, rejecting regulators' claims that Ripple was trying to reopen discovery. In response to Ripple's August 3, 2022 motion. In the opinion and order published earlier in July, Jeff Sarah and Ed Byrne condemned the SEC for its hypocrisy and actions that suggested the regulator was taking litigation positions to achieve its desired goal rather than following the law. The lawsuit verdict will affect XRP value. Because the SEC has no jurisdiction outside the U.S., an SEC win would only make XRP security in the U.S. Ripple's global business should mitigate this. XRP is unique, according to Sussex University finance professor Carol Alexander. She thinks Ripple could challenge SWIFT if it wins the SEC lawsuit. Financial institutions securely communicate via SWIFT. Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse discussed an IPO after the SEC case with CNBC. Ripple going public will affect XRP's price for years. Please subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell to be the first to know about XRP news. Garlinghouse told Axios at Collision 2022 that the current XRP price already accounts for Ripple losing the case. Does Ripple's case loss matter? Added, it's the status quo. Garlinghouse believes Ripple will win the verdict. I'm betting that because the facts support us. I'm betting that because the law is on our side, he said, though Ethereum's Vitalik hasn't supported Ripple and XRP. Aaron recently stated that XRP lost their right to protection when they tried to blame China. SEC lawsuit ripples beyond the courtroom. Both parties have written numerous op-eds, often criticizing each other. The market watchdog and crypto firm sparred in the Wall Street Journal this month. Secretary-Chairman Gary Gensler wrote in the Wall Street Journal on August 10 that crypto assets should be defined and regulated. Securities offering lending platforms are subject to SEC jurisdiction. Chairman Gensler cited the $100 million settlement the regulator reached with BlockFi to argue that crypto markets must follow securities laws. The settlement block requires FI to reorganize its business to comply with the U.S. Investment Company Act of 1940 to sell its products. Stu LDRD wrote a scathing op-ed in the Wall Street Journal in response to Chairman Getz. LDRD accused Gensler of sidelining federal regulators and overstepping its jurisdiction, contrary to U.S. President Joe Biden's executive order directing agencies to coordinate crypto regulations. We need crypto regulation, not the SEC swinging its billy club to protect its turf at the expense of more than 40 million Americans in the crypto economy. Al Doherty noted that the SEC's Crypto Assets Unit has been involved in 200 lawsuits since 2017. This figure suggests to Leighton that the regulator would rather sue crypto firms than create clear regulations to ensure compliance. Ripple CTO David Schwartz clashed with Ethereum co-founder Vitalik but Aaron earlier this month after Aaron tweeted about XRP. Schwartz replied to Buterin's tweet comparing Ethereum miners to eBay stockholders. It's fair to compare miners and proof-of-work systems to stockholders and companies. Ethereum and Bitcoin Schwartz miners profit from buyer-seller friction, just like eBay stockholders. Crypto community attention is on the ruling date. Even though defense lawyer James Phelan advised settling before March 31st. Cardano founder Charles Hoskinson claimed the lawsuit would be settled on December 15th. Hoskinson left the XRP community after being attacked. SEC and Ripple also dispute document sealing. The SEC sought to seal confidential documents, which Ripple opposed. Price analysis next. Please subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell to be the first to know about XRP news. Estimating XRP's future price is difficult. Crypto pundits will always comment on market movements. Ripple's year-to-date OTSL sales totaled $2.1 billion, up 9 times year-over-year. Ripple pledged $100 million for carbon removal to meet their carbon neutral and sustainability goals, according to the report. Ripple's Crypto Trends report states that NFTs and CBDCs are still in their infancy and will impact Ripple's network and the blockchain space as they mature. Note that some experts believe XRP will lose all value by the end of the decade, while others predict a price increase. XRP price drivers in the coming year's IPO after SEC lawsuit verdict partnerships with financial institutions mass adoption and CBDC ventures by saying Joe Banks. This video ends, so please like it if you liked it. Hit the notification bell and subscribe. This aids my YouTube algorithm. By sharing this video, you can enlighten others. Guys, spread this news. Don't miss our content if you love cryptocurrency. See you tomorrow to discuss community-related news.